Sunshine State Academy, learning is always an adventure. And today's experience was full of energy, laughter, and fun. Our students enjoyed a special live performance by the National Theater for Children, sponsored by Florida Power and Light, featuring the exciting Captain Wattage Show. Through music, comedy, and interactive theater, students learned about electricity, energy conservation, and how small, everyday choices can help protect our environment. The show kept everyone engaged, entertained, and inspired, while turning important lessons into unforgettable moments. We love creating opportunities that make learning exciting, meaningful, and memorable for our students every day. A big thank you to Florida Power and Light and the National Theater for Children for bringing this amazing experience to Sunshine State Academy.